Yes, I just got back. I'm just coming back from the shop. Oh, too much sweater. Unboxing time. Let's unbox this thing that doesn't look like what I ordered. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Yeah, as you can see, I'm here to unbox. I want to unbox this thing that doesn't look like what I ordered because I thought this is supposed to come in a carton. Like this is tripod with ring lights, but why is it like this? Why is it like this? Anyway, let's check what is inside. I don't know. Thing don't they do it for heart? I thought it's supposed to come in a carton, you know. You open it, but this is what I got. Let's see. This is the carton, the ring light carton. Nothing is inside though. Nothing is inside. Okay. Hey. This is the light. The wire. Nothing is inside again. So this is all the things that are inside here. This is the tripod. This is the ring light. I don't know what these ones are for, but I'll figure it out. All this one, I don't know what is it for, but I'll figure it out. So I think this is the phone holder. Okay, let's fix it and see. Let's fix this. Wait, one more. So how am I going to open this? Okay. Is that how to open it? Then there's no manual. How am I going to open this? Am I not supposed to use this one? Yes, I don't know how to fix this. So I really don't know. Okay. Okay. Hey, this thing has spoiled. Yeah. Don't understand. Because I'll be back. Guys, it took me sweat and blood to fix this. I've already started calling the people that I bought it from that this is not good. They should return my money until this is long go. It's very long. Like any size you want to, you just put it. Hey, a tripod that landed with ring lights. It shook. It shook, choke, it shook. I better not buy my bed because I'm just coming back here. This is it. So let's test the phone there. Let's test the phone. There. Actually. Hey. Camera testing. This video is all over the place. Please manage it. This my unbossing get leg because I got angry. Where is the camera now?
Mama, that camera is up there. You just missed it.
Oh, that is too much. Why is it not on? Does this thing have to charge?
Yes.
Okay, charge it up. Wow.
We can even make videos.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, I fixed it.
Mom, you have to.
I have fixed it.
Mom, you have to.
Everything is set now. So thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.
Several days later.
What if I record every day of my life forever? Do you know who used to say this? Hi guys, we are up to our daily puzzle. Yeah, I have my jacket in case of cold. Not even in case of cold, there's cold, I'll still wear it. Yeah, so we are off to go and puzzle. Hi. Go to say hi.
Hi. Mommy, hi.
I just added a little makeup. I'm not a makeup freak, so but it's giving sharp. Yeah, so let's go. I am not sold out, sealed in Christ, led by His governance from henceforth, no going back, no holding back again. No. I am not sold out, sealed in Christ, led by His governance from henceforth, no going back, no holding back again. Hi everyone, so we are in shop right now listening to this gospel music. I'm waiting for customers. We are out to hustle. Yeah, we're gonna make it this year. Whether the devil likes it or not, or more. Upon all the code, we are outside. No going back, no holding back again. Ebuka songs. Yeah, this guy they come. Jesus is calling my name. Oh. Jesus, if you call my name, I will answer a billion times. Who is calling my say hi? Guys, I don't want copyright. Oh. I'm ending this video right here. See you on my next video. I've said this before and I decided to record this part. Yeah, so bye.